Do you have the Chiron? Oh, there it is. What? The white glove treatment. The Bugatti Special. You unzip it. You unzip your Chiron. Wow. This is the first time I've ever even looked inside a Chiron. One is enough in this world, right? Wow. This is the first U.S. car to be delivered, so it has these rear bumpers that the U.S. safety requires. What? Wow. This is so sick. There it is. There it is. Oh. Oh, look at this cool light feature right there. Quilted stitching right there, the Chiron. Whoa. Only way that your Bugatti do you get a polished aluminum chest. EB, Authority Bugatti. The Chiron. So the rumor is that the speed key is in here. Never mind, I was gonna have him white glove it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Whoa. Of course, there's only 500 Chirons. We got the key, and this right here, this must be the speed key. That is where you put in the speed key. Unleash the top speed, the full 1500 horsepower. What is that?
Front license plate.
Oh. Okay, wow.
Oh, look how beautiful.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not too bad. I think that's a little bit bigger than the Veyron.
They had to put this in, I think, for the US market.
Okay, that's so a child.
Exactly.
Okay, so yeah, sure
very
enough.
small mechanic.
One of 500, the Helby.